Hey, it's Rich bringing you week 6 of our Spring into Action series here on Newegg TV. Today we're filming in my home office. We're going to be talking about home networking, and we figured what better way to demonstrate a home network than by setting one up in a home. If you're like most folks with a standard broadband internet connection, then you already have two elements of a home network, a computer and a modem. The modem is usually supplied by your internet service provider. This device provides internet connection to your computer. You can set up a home network easily by connecting your modem to a router. A router will take your internet connection and split it so that multiple computers or devices can access the internet simultaneously. Wireless routers, which are most common today, will also serve as a wireless access point. Many people may be intimidated by the thought of setting up their own home network, so let's take a closer look at the setup process. Many routers, like this Cisco Valet Plus M20, are designed with ease of use in mind and can be set up in a matter of minutes. Once the router is plugged in, you can connect the provided USB key into your computer, which will guide you through a simple setup process. If you have an older router or you're looking at a router that does not have an easy setup feature, here's a quick walkthrough of how to install and set up your router. For this demonstration, we'll be using the Linksys E3000 wireless N router, but most of the advice can be applied to any home router. First, we're going to find our network connections location. For Windows Vista, you can do that by clicking on your Start menu, going to your Settings. You'll find Network Connections. Once this is open, if you've correctly installed your router, you'll see a local area connection icon here. When you double-click that, it'll open your local area connection status. We're then going to go ahead and click the Details button here, which will show us our network connection details. What we're looking for is the default gateway IP address, which is found right here. You're going to take that, and you're going to go ahead and open up an internet browser. And in your browser, you're going to go ahead and type in that default gateway. The default password will usually be admin and admin. Once you're logged into your router's admin control panel, you're going to want to go to your administrative settings and change your admin password to protect your wireless network. Next, you're going to want to go to the wireless tab and encrypt your wireless connection to prevent unauthorized users from logging into your wireless internet. You can do that by going to your wireless security tab and changing your passphrase. We recommend using WPA2 or WPA for the best home protection. One of the most useful things you can do with a home network is set up network storage. This allows you to easily save and access files on a commonly shared network storage device. You can purchase a standalone network attached storage device, or you can get a router with built-in network attached storage capability like the Linksys E3000 we have here. Simply take the external hard drive and plug the USB into the USB port of your router, and you'll be able to access this hard drive from any computer hooked up to your network. One of the most exciting capabilities of having a home network is media streaming. You probably have lots of music, videos, and photos on your computer. Wouldn't it be great to enjoy that content on your big screen TV? Sure would, and here's how you can. There are several different ways to accomplish this. One is to buy a TV with an Ethernet port that'll connect directly to your network, but that's only feasible if you're already in the market for a new TV. There are also entertainment devices that have media streaming capabilities like an Xbox 360, a PlayStation 3, or a high-end Blu-ray player. We're going to take a quick look at the third option, which is to purchase a standalone media streaming device. Here we have a Western Digital WD TV Live HD media player. It connects easily to your TV via HDMI and has a built-in Ethernet port which allows it to be attached to your network. Once you're connected, use the on-screen display to navigate through the devices connected to your network that contain shared media. Thanks for tuning in, everyone, and we'll see you next time on Newegg TV.